Hiring a human influencer for your product ads is now officially obsolete. I'm serious.
While your competitors are spending thousands of dollars on a single creator for a single video,
I'm going to show you how to build an entire army of AI salespeople
that will work for you 24/7. After months of research into AI video,
I figured out the exact strategy to deploy dozens of unique, hyper-realistic AI influencers, all promoting the same product to find the one that prints money.
this isn't about replacing one creator.
It's about creating an unstoppable sales force.
So in this video, I'll show you how to equip your AI soldiers with your products and how to give them a powerful voice to sell your products for you. So we'll start by showing you how to create your first influencer and putting them in a video holding your product and talking about how great your product is. Then I'll show you how to easily switch that influencer to other influencers with different voices so that you can test which one is best at selling your product. Great, so we're going to make your first influencer using the free image generator inside Google Gemini. I'll put a link to Gemini in the description to this video. And inside Gemini, we just need to press Create Image and paste our prompt in here. You can pause the video to read this prompt that I'm using, and I'll pop it in the description to this video too for you to copy. And then you just press Generate, and here we go. Here's our influencer. Then to get your influencer to hold your product, you just upload an image of your product here, paste in a prompt saying that you want your influencer to be holding the product in this image. Pause the video to read my prompt, or I'll put it in the description below, and then you just press Generate, and in a few seconds we'll have our influencer holding this product. Here we go. We'll just download this image by pressing download here. Now we need to turn that image of the influencer holding our products into a video. To do that, we're going to use this tool here, Creatify. I'll put a link to Creatify in the description to this video too. And to make that video of the influencer holding and talking about your products, we're going to use this new tool here called Aurora Avatar. This is what lets us make such realistic videos like you saw at the start. So just press Create Now on Aurora Avatar. And here you just upload that image of the influencer holding your product, type in what you want them to say here, choose the voice that you want them to speak with here, and then press Create Video. That will take just a few minutes to generate. You can see it loading on screen here. And once that's done, you'll get a video that looks like this.
I love playing padel, and it's so much easier now that I have my new racket, designed to help beginners start playing like experts even faster.
So I've learned it's now so easy to create an AI influencer and have them hold your product and say anything you want them to say about your product. And so much cheaper than the old way of having to hire an actor and a video production company. And now we have that original video of an influencer holding and talking about our product. We can stay inside this tool, Creatify, to create all of those alternative videos with different people. So we're back in Creatify now, and I'll show you how to make those alternative videos soon. But there's one thing I want to show you quickly. If we go back to Creative Tools up here, I want to show you how you can easily create videos of your products from just images of your products. So we'll press Product Video here to show you how to do that. And here you just upload the image of your product here. So you can see my red paddle racket, which is a basic white background there. We're going to select that this is a product shot. We're going to tell the AI where we want our product to be in the video, and then press Generate down here. And there we go. After a few seconds, we get that image of our product in the location we want it to be. Now we can just press Generate Video to turn it into a video. So we'll press that now. Then we just type in what we want to happen in the video here, how long we want the video to be. I'll just go for a 5-second shot. And then we press Generate to turn that image into a video. And after just a couple of minutes, we get a video of our products like this from just a single image, and that video looks like this. We'll press play now. So that's just a cheap and fast way to create videos of your products to go in your ads. Whereas before, it would have cost a ton of money to get a professional video company to come in and film these videos of your products, which you might not have been able to afford. You can do it simply and easy now too. But let's get back to looking at how to turn that first video you've made of a influencer holding and talking about your product. We're going to turn that now into other videos of infinite other influencers with different voices talking about your product too. Oh, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more stuff like this in the future. Let's jump in. So to swap that first influencer to different influencers that we can test in different ads, we're just going to head down here to Asset Generator inside Creatify. Remember, the link to Creatify is in the description to this video. We're going to choose Image to Image and make sure that we're on Nano Banana right here. And we're going to upload that first image of the influencer holding our product here. Here she is. And to turn this woman into a man with tattoos, I've just typed in this prompt, telling the AI who I want the person turned into, and then to maintain things like clothing, background, lighting style. You can pause the video to see this prompt and I'll pop it in the description below. Then I'll just press that I want 4 images created following this instruction, just so that I have some options to choose from, and just press generate here. And here we go. We've now got 4 images of that woman turned into this man with tattoos. I'll just click that and scan through and you can see what we've got. You can see these all look super realistic, high quality. This one's a bit feminine. We'll go to the next one. And we can use any of these for our next video for our new ad. So I'll use this guy for an example. We'll just download this image by pressing this button here. Then to make that same video again, but with this new influencer, we just head back to the home area of Creatify by clicking up here. We're going to head to Aurora Avatar once again. So here's the uploaded image of our new influencer. I've used the same scripts over here as before, but this time I've chosen a different voice. We've got a male voice now for our male influencer. I just press generate video again. And after a few minutes, we'll have this new video, which I'll show on screen now.
I love playing paddle, and it's so much easier now that I have my new racket, designed to help beginners start playing like experts even faster.
So it's blown my mind how quickly we can now create videos of different influencers talking about and selling our products. I'll pop the link to Creatify in the description to this video, where you can get started using it for free, I believe, if you use that link in the description. I think this is going to be huge for business owners, being able to now just create tons of video ads of their product featuring different people to see who best connects with their target customer. If you want to generate great music to use in your advert, when you've downloaded all of these videos and you're putting them together in your edit, I've made a video here of just a simple text to music generator, which is so powerful. So watch that video next. If you want to find some great audio for your ads too, subscribe to the channel, obviously, and I'll see you on the next one.